Okay, next we are going to discuss about the gene as the functional unit of inheritance. A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Already we know that the heredity gene only it is responsible, that is the physical and functional unit. The concept of the gene was first explained by Gregor Mendel in 1860. That gene, that concept, that explanation, it is given by the scientist Mendel in the year 1860. But he didn't use the term gene. He used only factor. Okay, before he didn't give the name gene, he used that factor. A factor, it is responsible to express the heredity character, like that he has said. Then in the year 1909, a Danish biologist Wilhelm Johansen coined the term gene. After later few years, in the year 1909 only, the Danish biologist Wilhelm Johansen coined the term gene. The gene, it is referred to discrete determiners of inherited character. So genes only it is responsible to determine the inherited character. The next, in the year 1902, the scientist Sutton, according to the classical concept of gene, it is introduced. About the gene, it is introduced by the Sutton in the year 1902. Gene have been defined as discrete particles that follow Mendelian rules of inheritance, occupy a definite locus in the chromosome, and are responsible for the expression of a specific phenotypic character. He has given about the gene, the definition. So gene is one of the particle. That particle has certain rules, inherited rules. It is located inside the chromosome. It is responsible to express the some of the specific phenotypic character. Few character we are expressing phenotypic. We can see that character. Okay, so the some of the specific phenotypic character expressing each and every living organism, it is expressing, that is responsible for the gene. That genes are located inside a locus of the chromosome. So like that has given the explanation Sutton. Then has given genes have some of the following properties. So what are the properties? The properties, characters present in a gene. So number of genes in each organism is more than the number of chromosomes. So chromosome காட்டிலும் genes எப்படி இருக்கும் ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும். Already we have studied, we have only for what 46 chromosomes, but each and every chromosome it is contains number of genes. Few chromosomes contain 100, few 1000. So like that the genes are located inside the chromosomes. So number of genes in each organism is more than the number of chromosomes. Hence several genes are located on the same chromosome. ஒரே ஒரு single chromosome number of genes are located. Then the genes are arranged in a linear single linear order like beads of string. So what is the meaning of that? இப்போ ஒரு string இப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா இதில் எப்படி லீனியர்னா ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பீட்ஸ் மாதிரி ஒரு ரிங்கில் பீட்ஸ் எப்படி அட்டாச் பண்ணி வச்சுருப்பாங்களோ அதே மாதிரி எப்படி இருக்கும் ஜீன்ஸ் வந்து ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ ஈச் ஜீன் ஆக்குபைஸ் a specific position called locus. It is occupy this position. இங்கேன்னு சொல்லி ஒவ்வொரு ஜீனும் ஒவ்வொரு இடத்துல ஒவ்வொரு பொசிஷனில் இருக்கும். Okay, this position it is known as the locus. So like that the genes in a specific locus located in a chromosome. Okay, so genes may exist in several alternate forms called alleles. So genes they can exists in a number of alternative forms. That alternative forms are known as alleles. Genes may undergo sudden change in position and composition called mutation. So genes they can transfer from parents to the offsprings. That time sudden changes will occur in its position. Then the combination also, composition, that is known as mutation. Genes are capable of self-duplication, producing their own copies. Self-duplication, duplication the same, multiple copies. Okay, அதே மாதிரி ஒரு number of copies உருவாகக்கூடியது duplicate. Okay, copies they can produce. So own cell division. Okay, so they can produce their own copies. So these are the properties of the genes. Can you understand all of you the properties of genes?